Hello, I want to share this unboxing video with you to show you what EZCast 2 is and what it can do for you. It's one of the best ways to wirelessly screen mirror from smart devices to HDTVs. It is a universal wireless display receiver for iOS and Android mobile devices, and it works with Windows or Mac laptops too. In this unboxing video, we'll show you what to expect from the EZCast 2 package, and you'll learn how to quickly set up the dongle to screen mirror from any smart devices you have. When you open the box, you will first notice an EZCast 2 dongle, a USB power cable with antenna, and a user manual. In order to screen mirror with EZCast 2, the first step is to plug your dongle to the HDMI port on your TV. Then power on the dongle with a USB power source. You will see the blue LED lights up when powered on. Once you select the correct HDMI source on your TV, you will see the startup screen for EZCast 2. I'll show you how EZCast 2 works with Android. Turn on the Wi-Fi of your Android phone and connect to the network with the SSID and password shown on the TV screen. Once you are connected to the same network, find the Miracast feature on your phone and select the EZCast 2 device to begin screen mirroring. Now you can browse your favorite photos on the big screen. You'll notice the photo fills the screen when the phone is on the side. Here comes the steps to screen mirror with an iPhone 10. Find and connect to the EZCast 2 Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Then choose Screen Mirroring from the control center and select the EZCast 2 to begin screen mirroring wirelessly. So everything you do on the iPhone 10 is instantly mirrored on TV. Even YouTube videos work. For connecting the EZCast 2 to your MacBook, make sure you download the EZCast app for Mac before you begin. Then connect to the EZCast 2 Wi-Fi network. Execute the EZCast app and choose the mirror option to start sharing your MacBook screen to TV. This works very well for playing YouTube videos. Here's an exclusive laptop feature for you, the screen extending feature. You can turn your TV into the second screen for your laptop, so more screen space for your work. If you are a Windows user, check this out. Connect to the EZCast 2 dongle Wi-Fi and execute the EZCast app you downloaded earlier. Search and connect to the EZCast 2 device, then use the mirror function to begin screencasting to TV. Now you can surf the web or watch YouTube videos on the big screen. Thank you for watching our unboxing video. I hope you can see EZCast 2 is a useful wireless display receiver for watching mobile and laptop content on the big screen. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel for more screencasting tutorials. Please also let me know in the comments below whether you prefer to screen mirror your phones or laptops to the big screen.